Welcome back to the Gnarly Chicken Garage. So today we're not working on a bike, we're working on the Gladiator. So we're going to install a couple pieces today. We'll see what we can get done. I'm going to pull off the front bumper and replace it with a Smitty belt. You can see that. So just super simple, thick steel. A TYT winch, 9,500 pound synthetic. So we're gonna start by pull this bumper off, and then we'll check everything over. We may clock the sway bar disconnect, we may not, depending. I'm gonna check the clearance for the bumper just to make sure it's not going to interfere on the backside, but shouldn't be too bad. And then I've got my disc lights wired up. We're going to clean up some wiring. We're going to run another set of lights on the bumper, some fogs, and yeah, we'll get to it. All right, we'll do a little time lapse. All right, so what I'm up against is the frame tusk is hitting. So basically I've got to make a cut right across there. Not a big deal. I don't believe I have a sawzall here, but I know for sure I got to cut off disc. So